Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Instagram username. So if you want to find your Instagram username, here's how you can find it, or here's how you can get it. Open your Instagram app on your phone. Once you open it, then you tap on the profile icon. Once tap on this 3-line button. Then from there you tap on the account center. Then you tap on your profile. Tap on your profile. Then from here also you tap on the profile again. Then from here, then you tap on this option, which is username. Then you tap on it. Then right here you can find your username. Your current Instagram username is Nema Media, which is 001 is available for me. So that is how to find your email, your username on Instagram. If you like this video, like and follow for more. Thank you.